Let us not become bullies, not become their darkness, not dissuade them from the genuine healer, Jesus Christ. Good day. I am Reverend Father Charles Sawe, one of the newly ordained priests in the Archdiocese of Cebu, now assigned as the parochial vicar of San Juan Nepomuceno Parish, Moalboal, Cebu. Let us journey together as we reflect on the Word of God. In today's Gospel, the blind man was a beggar, representing the marginalized and the poor, whom Jesus consistently showed compassion for throughout the Luke's Gospel. The miracle emphasizes that God's salvation and care extend fully to those whom society excludes or overlooks. Today, we also celebrate our patron saint, Saint Elizabeth of Hungary. Saint Elizabeth's life, though born a princess and married to a king, Saint Elizabeth of Hungary deliberately chose to identify with the poor and the marginalized. She practiced intense charity, using her royal wealth not for luxury but for the care of the sick, and he tended to the patients, even those with the most repulsive diseases. Her life was active, literal fulfillment of the Gospel's focus on the poor. But who are the marginalized in our society today? There's a lot. Those people who are in extreme poverty, those who are fighting for justice but were not justified, those who are suffering from depression and other mental health infirmities. We are called to see them, to extend our hand to them, to stop invalidating their feelings, to listen to them, to assure them that they are not being judged, that we understand them. Let us not become bullies, not become their darkness, not dissuade them from the genuine healer, Jesus Christ. Just like Saint Elizabeth, let us choose to care, let us choose to listen, just as Jesus would do to us.